In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the board structure in Monday.com. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating a board, organizing it with groups, assigning owners, and using views and filters to stay focused. Start by heading to your Monday.com home. From here, open the Workspaces panel. Workspaces are the highest level of organization in Monday. They keep related boards, docs, and dashboards together. Choose the workspace where this new board should live so the right people can find it easily. Next, click the plus icon beside that workspace and create a new board. You might see other options like docs or dashboards, but a board is where your items, columns, and updates live, so that's what we want. Give your board a clear, action-oriented name. Short, descriptive titles make it easier to scan later, especially when you have many boards. Then set the privacy. Public boards are visible to your account members, private boards are for a limited group, and shareable boards are great when you need to collaborate with guests. Pick what fits your use case today. You can adjust later if your audience changes. You'll also be prompted to select what you're managing on this board. This helps Monday suggest a helpful starting structure. Once you're ready, click Create Board. Inside the new board, begin by naming your first group. Groups are like sections that hold related items, such as phases, sprints, or categories. Use concise group titles and add another group if you're tracking multiple stages or teams. Clear group structure makes reporting and filtering much more meaningful. As you start entering items, use the search bar to quickly find a specific item or keyword on the board. This is especially helpful once your board grows. Look for the person column. This is where you assign ownership. Click an empty cell in that column and choose the teammate responsible. Assigning a single clear owner per item prevents confusion and keeps work moving. To focus on what matters in the moment, open the filter. You can filter by person, status, group, and more. Save a filter you reuse often to quickly return to that view without rebuilding it each time. Finally, use the plus icon at the top to add board views. Choose board views like Kanban for status-driven work, Calendar for date-based scheduling, or Timeline and Gantt for planning over time. Views don't change your data, they simply present it in the way that's most useful for the task at hand. That's it. Create your board, name your groups, assign owners, filter for focus, and switch views to match your workflow.